Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to view your responses on your survey on SurveyMonkey. And if you want to do this, first of all, definitely create a survey and then just share that link. And you can see right here that we received one response. That's not me. That's not me. That was something else. No, that's not true. That was me. But I want to see what I responded right here on the survey. So what we're going to do right here is quite simple. You can click right here on Analyze Results, and we can also click here on Wealth, and then we can click right there on Analyze Results, and then he will send us right here to this page. And this is the page where you will find right here your quiz summary, and this is exactly where you can find the points that people scored. You find right here some other statistics and the lowest score, median and high score. You see right here the questions, and this is a nice graph with how often do you watch YouTube and then which answer they gave. Right here, more statistics, and if you scroll down, you see exactly the same right here. Now we have options right here where you can change the colors, where you can change the chart right here if you want to do that. Now you have also data options right here where you can change everything. We can also analyze with AI if you want to do that. And if you want to export this data, select right here export, and then you can select right here new export, and then oh wait, we need to upgrade of course. And if you want to share it right here, you can new shared link data, and then you can start sharing your data right here with SurveyMonkey. So then fill in the page title, the description, and then everything you need, and then you can click right here on get link to share your data. So this is how you can view your responses right here in SurveyMonkey. Hopefully this was exactly the video we was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.